Good to see you again. Welcome to another lesson on English Daily. I hope today brings you peace, joy, and many reasons to smile. May every new day give you fresh energy and new opportunities to learn. Thank you for joining me. I truly appreciate that you are spending part of your day improving your English. Learning a language takes patience. But every lesson moves you one step closer to your goal. So sit back, relax. Focus on the lesson, and let's enjoy learning together. Today, we are going to talk about a topic that is easy to relate to. Our topic is, my weekend. Weekends are special because they give us time to slow down. We can rest after a busy week, we can enjoy our hobbies, or we can spend time with family and friends. In today's lesson, I will tell you what I usually do on Saturdays and Sundays. Along the way, you will learn several useful words and expressions that native speakers use in everyday conversations. Before we jump into today's story, I have a quick favor to ask. If these lessons help you improve your English, please subscribe to the channel. Give this video a like. And share it with someone who is also learning English. Your support allows us to create more lessons like this every week. Thank you for being part of our learning community. Now, let's get started. First, let me tell you about my Saturday morning. I usually wake up around 8 o'clock. There is no alarm clock. There is no rush. I enjoy a slow and peaceful morning. I make breakfast. Then I open the windows and let the fresh air come into my room. After breakfast, I often visit my parents. We drink tea together. We talk about our week. Sometimes we cook lunch together. These simple moments always make me feel grateful. One important word today is visit. Visit means to go and spend time with someone or go to a place. For example, I visit my grandparents every month. Or, we visited our old school last year. Visit is a wonderful word for daily conversations. Let's say it together. Visit. Next, after spending time with my family, I usually meet my friends. Sometimes we go to a quiet coffee shop. Sometimes we walk around the city. Other times we explore a new place together. We laugh. We tell funny stories. And we enjoy every minute. A very common expression is hang out. Hang out means spending relaxed time with friends. For example, we like to hang out after work. Or, they hang out every Saturday afternoon. Hang out is a fantastic expression. It sounds natural and friendly. Let's repeat it together. Hang out. After that, Saturday evening is usually my favorite time. My friends and I often stay at someone's house. We prepare popcorn. We make hot drinks. Then we watch movies together. Sometimes we choose an exciting adventure movie. Sometimes we enjoy a funny comedy. No matter what we watch, we always have a great evening. Another useful expression today is watch movies. For example, my family likes to watch movies on weekends. Or, we watched a great movie last night. Watch movies is an excellent everyday expression. Let's say it together. Watch movies. Now, let me tell you about my Sunday. Sunday is usually quieter. I enjoy reading a few chapters of a good book. After that, I clean my room. I organize my desk. I water my plants. These small activities help me feel calm and ready for the new week. Sometimes I also go to a nearby park. I enjoy watching children play. I listen to birds singing. The peaceful atmosphere helps me relax. Here are two lovely expressions. Go for a walk. Enjoy the fresh air. These expressions are very natural. You can use them in many situations. Let's hear them once again. Go for a walk. Enjoy the fresh air. Next, I would like to share one of my favorite weekend memories. Last autumn, my friends invited me on a short trip to the countryside. The weather was cool. The sky was bright blue. We visited a small village surrounded by green fields. We rode bicycles along quiet roads. We enjoyed delicious local food. As the sun began to set, we sat beside a river and talked for hours. Nobody looked at a phone. Nobody was in a hurry. It was a simple day, but it became an unforgettable memory. Another wonderful phrase is spend quality time. Native speakers often use this expression. It means enjoying meaningful moments with people you care about. Let's repeat it together. Spend quality time. After that, Sunday evening becomes my preparation time. I check my calendar. I make a list of important tasks. I prepare everything for Monday morning. When everything is ready, I feel relaxed instead of worried. A little preparation makes the new week much easier. Finally, weekends are not only about resting. They are also about creating memories. We can visit the people we love. We can hang out with good friends. We can watch movies with our family. Even simple moments can become special when we spend them with the right people. Today, we learned 3 important words and expressions. Visit. Hang out. Watch movies. Let's say them together one more time. Visit. Hang out. Watch movies. Excellent work. Keep practicing these expressions in your daily conversations. Little by little, your English will become more natural and more confident. Thank you for learning with me today. I hope this lesson made your English journey a little easier and a lot more enjoyable. If you enjoyed today's lesson, please subscribe to English Daily. Give this video a like. And share it with your friends who are learning English. Every share helps more learners discover these lessons. I truly appreciate your support. Until our next lesson, keep learning, keep smiling, and keep believing in yourself. Have a fantastic week ahead. See you again very soon.